for Mama Joe, Mama Kwabad, Mobadum TV, Yawazoye, and Eye Yawada, Enyumre, Nonkono, Aboa Pemu, Pepe, Emraso, Sir Yede, me case Anaa, Ebro, Obefia in Niho, Mitnemamano, a year and ne Enyumre, and Sembebri Owa, Yebeboho, and Como, Efa Juma, Asemaho, and Yebiane, Dribi Owa Wuma, Yesisu. Company no amawaye adwuma wepra ana wo ya baya wo ho ofe ukopa adwuma no be ma na se wa ma na anye lokodo ba kopa o ma kwan na adwuma no unya bi enye enkomo no edoso ho a eboaye me ye de brewo no eyeye nana tachi bitters na afei adonko bitters so edimu akotene eka ho a ye de brewo enne enwumrei na afei Balbenis Estate. And so eka ho a lawyer for akasem yenu and ye benya won anwumrei ye no won bedi enkomo lawyer Morris Ampa beba and afi lawyer Asante Enronso beba abeka ho ye ntwa ya ho mfankrato yi ye ba na ya to aso Yakwaya ya sanyaba mi wo case so na uguso a wo hwei nyame adom lawyer Santinro aba abedru se de medika ka cho no ye hwe edwuma ye me kopa edwuma ye den na sese medika hwehwe se me ye oba se me ye be ma den na sese me busa ye de edwuma no so ama me abrabo ban na sese me bo ewo ho asisie bi bemu a den na sese me ye den na edwuma mu ebetimi ama na se ye sisimi ana ye nsisimi oba modern na oko Facebook a Behwe Nana Captain Smart na wo de message no ato ho amai na afei ye be kan pepepe dia mampacho se mfa de ye hu a menkan aha and we still time mfa to ho make sure say de nkomo ye boya ho na wo de beto so a wo de be ba la akwaba
nua me captain
we be find it
nua me adu
and we want susu
misisiam
Anyway, it's about what I said. So say, my Benny says state adonko bitters and afi nana tachi heba bitters and so and the swasinia. Yeah, they bro. Lawyer, intention so semi compare juma. Then the same dikan here.
Yeah, captain. What be said? And they say, if Brabia you wumi, you basic needs. Nipa bia baby a odi uti beto. Ye obe share. Need you obedi eyada ehia pa
okay
Bible cry can say ensa enye adwuma no
e man ndidi
he say edidi enti atiwiase die anye bia no e wo say utimi nya adwuma a obeya eno so be ma wonsa ayeden akọ no
okay
na wubusa ya say woye bema woye oba
sure
na wo say okohwehwe adwuma ana upe bibi aye. The first thing I'll be say, and son of Benya Jumano, ye free BB qualification. Na nye bia a Jumana or person koyeno. Who home qualification, who home nimdie competence. I also who say, oh, a bia because ya a Juma we.
Okay.
Na ye pe say Juman hunipa. Enti anye bia me qualify. Enti bia na ya advertise ana true obi wahu na the application akwa akotum wodi kotum na bia ye frewa e bia be call interview ya faw ye fawa eye wasede kete say wo so hu say ya ma what do we call appointment letter and in the appointment letter no ye woniema bia e wo sekum a proper appointment letter no e wo say state adwuma na wo koye no
okay
position di brekra wo ye Wajuma no your friend job description. I was say detail say wo adwuma ya yafa we. Ubeye say say yafa say wo captain. Ni yafa wo adwuma say we broadcast journalist. Captain, wo de ani say anopa, obeba, ba be morning show be interview, ubeye say.
Church ni na.
Ni na wo. Ye wi so ane de aka won say ana adwuma bia wo employers ana omo ma wadwuma no omo fee say e wo se wo ye and any other duty that will be assigned to you.
Okay.
Apart from appointment letter no so e wo say timi state the number of hours no hwere kra e wo se wo ye adwuma.
Hey, sir. And the no monsesamo.
Sa na Labor Act no etre.
Okay.
Say
number of hours
abeya adwuma. Se bia wo be start adwuma no nwotwe. Na wapon no num.
Okay.
Na wo bi a 1 hour break.
Ni nyina se
wa point. Ni nyina wo se wom.
Wow.
But ye bu yani egu. Sa na ye nyina no so. Now apart from that and so I was say etimi state the leave entitlement time I was say annually Labor Act interest say work bia no ye adwuma afi no wo number of days I was say wutimi adeji wa home and we friend paid leave.
Okay.
Now we management member and I say kind of management member we penny a wo ka omo adwuma mu a omo de no ya na wo soro kakra sometimes 32 days. But say we obi a wonye management member 28 21 depending on the institutions na wone mo collective agreement and she na mo aye mo contract of employment nti I will say a state will leave days o conditions of service ebi a o yare a ye betua sei ye be ma watade allowance ye be ma o sei nti ukoye adwuma also make sure say appointment letter mu no saa ne ma yi nyina no ya state ni wum I will see a state ye pese eja wo kwa ye ntimi no nya adwuma bi wa edien compensation package ena ye wo ma wo enti so okopa adwuma saa ne ma nyina no I will say we look out for
lawyer me kopa adwuma me ya ba ya me koye no dipa no ma adwuma no se me ma no kwan no nya ba ko ansa me ma ne ye de ya adwuma no be ma me that material moment me hia adwuma me mpene
me pa cho won say we no eye moral against legal eye emra ene suban.
Okay.
Ohwe yemra kuni na edibu oman ye a eye the 1992 constitution and article 24 chapter 5 fundamental human rights.
Okay.
Wo asede wo ye oman ba eniema wo ho kwai se wo so wo enjoy bi ni economic rights. And to hear article 24 na or say worker be and every person is entitled to work under safe conditions and I was here 2 hours for equal pay for equal work without any discrimination. And me who the entire captain person obey pe adwuma na captain de be ma na ebi a captain nua akosua mansa ono nso be pe the same adwuma no se bibia ne ho ofe oyo obe nti no adwuma wura se oni ma anya me ma wo adwuma no eye discrimination of the highest order nitia emra
nti yam fan say me nso me pe adwuma no te bia mama me ho kwan ma papa no waye wa mama adwuma no actually metumi akohwehwe lawyer bia kobusa se bia me wo case a
me pacho eno no the question is was it consent nipa na oba na okopa adwuma no anye bia no papa ne force no se wan force no no ono a di nipem enye mra se okopa adwuma wo se obi no da answer.
Okay.
But se wa ujemu ema no na wadi a free 16 years and above dia e wupem wan hyew na ne koye dia se obeka sa unikis because you consented to the act unless it can be shown say o for so no ena onene dai.
Okay. Sisi am for so dia na wa wote ase na ojigu hu a edinsa de dano no nti wo kote ase de na ya me country you want ase de na je you know one de oba ye betie wasem no na fa yetimi aboa ye wo few scenarios so ha ye be hwe nkofo e de wonsem e de aba e bia wotie yensesi ya na wo so wo how bia wo pe lawyer wo bo mo 0547 809491 0547809491 na afei yehunu ebusayen so wo case ampadia wo ka kire ya yebema wonso ehunu na lawyer sese oboa wo no wotimi aboa first scenario no abaya no se friend Elizabeth also oye adwuma e wo Ghana Water Company na 2nd December when you shortage of 660 Ghana cedis ewa adwuma mu ena ono a pay ne kwan bi ena na wotwe di nanim no odi kotua ye later no otua sika no machine so fa pepepe oso office no auditors bae say wo mo behwe wo musika sem no wo ma be kan sika ewo ho na wo mo requesting for the receipt wo mo check ye no ena wo mo hu say date ni ade na wo so ni na ye valid until February ye twa mu ye mu ena the management ema no query letter of shortage of money ono so kire be say oh I bibi sa bai but sika no de eja madaroma ma pe e de ashim ohwa na yes you onko leave ne leave no mu no ne command letter say ye yi no edi so wa ka bia ka or the asem no kodan TUC penny for trauma omo MD so baby ade ye du de abayai ono wa osrewa osisika na hye mu dada tisanka be ya ida se mo betwe na so kakra bi na se bia ne sika ne bi kura na mo betete bi afiri mu a eno aya so twe de ama no enso wakasa MD no antiase lawyer obusa o case ana
captain Lisbeth Asemno oni case ba kokra na mechi chiri mu di nti a oni case no
yo
na before say meba so no captain teacher for will be almost say in education from the known to the unknown enti mebusa questions kakra ansa na maba Asemno so
okay
Lisbeth Asemno Bruni Beka said there are a lot of gaps in her story.
Okay.
Ebini say number 1 den na shortage ne bae. First question. Na shortage ne bae no emma suspicion anase emma unya we bi say ordinance bo adwuma ni sikem. That is clear. If that is so ordinance bo na ma shortage bae then it's a clear case of misconduct. Just wanye na adwuma yi we ni no kre.
Okay.
Enti unless say obetimi achre say sika kro na oyiye ma shortage bae no she was entitled no wo ho kwan say e was offer say sika no okay e ma shortage no eye den e bae because ohwe scenario no ade ani so oye no oye den oye even though we 2 years can otu years can the fact say we 2 years can enzon retu anase e ma wo hu akwanya se adwuma wura no ontimi mpa ne hyew ene sa na tie dia na ne captain obia betimi de nsa agbo adwuma sikem ade akoye bibi ne matua into a clear case of misconduct into hwe yemra na ye labor act na ebo adwumayefo employers ne employees na hwe section 62 a ye were grounds for termination fapimwa ye ditimi eyi obi edi e free adwumam
so de yetimi yinati
yetimi yene de ekwan enan 1 lack of qualification ebi ana qualification ebi a wodi ba akire ni akwa akohu se wuni sa qualification no na wo se o woni ade fa adwuma yi hu yetimi yiwadi number 2 proving misconduct eno Elizabeth Casey eye proving misconduct because auditors ebe check eno hu say there was a shortage. So it's a proving misconduct. Reconcile accounts no any bibi hu share a shortage. So it doesn't matter say utri or when tuya. Once there was a shortage,
wow,
you have a duty towards your employer say akwan nyina so bedi no kre ama wo adwuma yini a wafa wo no. And number 3 redundancy say adwuma ni igu no ye betimi terminate ni amount severance package.
Okay.
And number 4 e be a legal prohibition bibi nti ye gu adwuma no. Enti Lisbeth de no oba under section 62B proving misconduct because auditors ni hwehwe mu no omu hu say ampa shortage bi by. Now Captain Mamefan Shem say until July 2017 last year.
Okay.
Na unfair termination, cases of unfair termination, bi chechem said the beya etifu bi hu. Na ye National Labour Commission enkwa na ewo exclusive jurisdiction. Ye ka say exclusive jurisdiction a say ye yiwadi ekwambone so a na wuntimi mfa nko court straight. before July 2017.
Okay.
This all the wasem ekoda Labor Commission. Minya akwenya ye adwuma o Labor Commission from 2012 until last year December. Na me tender resignation. Enti se wohwe case se ba wa unfair termination and do super. And to unfair termination, first na nke Labor Commission kwa na wo exclusive jurisdiction.
Okay.
But into wohwe case be a friend Bunny and Mess Company Limited.
Okay.
And na Supreme Court to July 2017. Ewo case bia ye friend no Republic versus High Court ex parte Sangba Dairy ADB interested party. E na Supreme Court ruling say no say ye terminate you unfairly and ye nyi wadi wo kwan papa so a. It is not only Labor Commission wo exclusive jurisdiction. Ubetimi invoke and ubetimi do wasem akodan High Court.
Okay.
And they say no me chief what to say you terminate you unfairly. I say we call Labor Commission and be court ankasa.
Ye per court.
Na yeah I was say ye ma bia no ya ma. Lisbeth asemi die it doesn't matter whether she paid or not. Once auditors check ya proving misconduct say adwuma yini nika so terminate you na one thing so say captain say you terminate you the employer has every reason to terminate you oni ho kwan say or proper any reason the entire oyi wedi especially when it falls under four scenarios na say adwuma yini nipa ne ho asem ema reason tia oyi wedi dia e was so justify e was so chichirim
want me an chichirim yi
so nya nyina so wan chichirim yi a because se me employer na me ntimi ni nyo anyu ma biwa depending on the number of years anima ye adwuma no e was say me ma notice na bi a number of years na woni ma ye adwuma no me tua o a certain amount na me ja akwa ba me ko chirem dia na akokota the burden is on you the employer to prove say
wow
termination out terminating it was justified.
Nti mo amoye sika ho adwuma no yesere mo wo do nsa kokana ye wadwen se achi obetua wie yebetime yi wadi uti anye ye kran hwe do be ma police wani ebeba ho so no na asem ato yenda ne ye hombra ye be kam bi fofo Yada se watwen yen yasan aba biom lawyer Asante Inro ewa ha ye bon komo merpam ye be ma kwan na so watimi afre na wo aseme busa wadwenkyere bia watimi ede aba yenko asema toso minu abante ye frɛ no Asante Ernest no pacha se oye adwuma o Metro Mass na adwuma ye ni mu na no dokonya ka kwanhia ose company na de ne call hospital omutua ne ho kan na otena afie abosome kakra yi se de be ya obetiapo na ose mra na ne nan na ye ne ya ne nan ne tiapo kakra no atwo krata e de koma adwuma ne mpanifo se mesremu te se me nhye da ntiapo yi e de nti no mumma madwuma bi a ewo fom na metimi aye bi na me de aboa company no mo so onko ba bia company na ye Metro Mass ye buses na mo twi de mo ba bi mo petrol kwatena wai na bus ne bi ba ebu petrol ne bi agum ema na timi ayema oso enti ase ye adwuma afa we hu de ye oda sore ya ase onko retirement company ne se ne busumi numa akatua ye de bema no wa hwe ni mu ahwa lawyer okay skakra
okay spa
correct
Asante Ernest okay spa we know your friend constructive termination omo retire no constructive termination no try say situation bi ntia afọ so ema wuntimi nya adwuma bio
okay
ebetimi ayipra ebetimi aye bia restructuring yes say adwuma no eni ni ade do we say no return no but in law no a constructive termination
okay
omo afọ so no because of prana uprae no situation na wa community ni aforce no se onye den onyai adwuma enti bibi sa ba e de ne mra ne ka enti ne right broni beka se ne right accrue ana se owo ho akwanya se otumi sue company no for damages for prana oprai enye so opra keke opra in the course of his lawful duty abra oye adwuma ama company no ena oye den oprai enti si we pra de a hwan na ye na sudie se ohwe no
okay
enti se employers no once me di kaka say ohwe Article 24 of the 1992 Constitution na yes say every worker bia na say owo ho kwan say otimi ye adwuma in a safe satisfactory environment say captain mo ye adwuma wa he e wo say adwuma ru an make sure say o betra se abetra console ho a akonwa a wotim ba bia a wote no bibia ye okay a enkoma wumpra se wukopra na eye adwuma no na amfa niema bia nwu kwam ama ehwo anye safe amawa eye omo asudie se omo ye den omo hwew anye se wudu omo court na usu omo a court will give you damages enti we no ohwe a eye in the course of his work enti owo case pa se obetimi asu for damages ba ma men kan so enche se enye time bia na adwuma rura prebi bawo adwuma mu a eye adwuma rura na sudie because in law no you be a friend no contributory negligence enti in tort no you be a friend voluntary non-fit injury ebi asebi wa wunim say e wo so ya ahweyi ebi a wo operate machine baby wo ho ya twa ni clear sa ha yemfiansa anhye ho na ahweyi a wanye due diligence na don sa kwa akwhye ho na chop off and twa won sa eno no wa contribute enti damages a ye de kokota ayi hweyi na wanhwe no court ba assess ni awon say fine adwuma rura no na wo ye adwuma ama no e na oprai ba won so ahweyi a wanhwe no won so ka ho na mapra ne bae enti ye hwe damages na obi a nam waawo ahweyi a wanye any obi a ye adwuma na environment a employer na provide safe environment ama no momienu assess damages na e be different
okay
enti sana enti asante die yi die per the facts na wo ye ho ne die owo a very good case a say osu a because mo retire no eno masa terminate no constructively into a case
asante court why emu ye da frey
and a captain mamfa we and so say obi pra wa adwuma mu a ye wo bibi a friend Workman's Compensation Act and they take care of sa niema no enti e ba sa ye wo form sa okofele now ma a certified medical doctor normally yana ye here a buying doctor a certified medical doctor from a government institution, a government hospital to one about says the degree of injury and it's a court he compute damages na sani many no the court takes it into consideration.
All right, see and as asante bomodiano we the lawyer so case pa we friend of Thomas I say I've been working with GBC and AS Radio for 8 years now as a casual worker. And up till now, we haven't been given any allowance or remuneration. The only thing we have been given is an anniversary cloth. That is the only thing given which identifies us as workers of GBC. They only give us empty promises. When we started working with AS Radio, we signed an agreement with them. And the agreement was we were told to go around to look for sponsorship so we can get 10% of each contract. And getting sponsorship wasn't easy. We weren't put on payrolls, but they assigned auditors to come check our output. We've written several petitions to administration, but we haven't received any responses from them. My issue is, if we were not working, how can they send auditors to come check our work when we've not been paid? So I want a legal advice on what to do. Also, I heard you on GBC. Any AS radio, if you want training, still a casual. na besin ne allowance o akatuo ye ma ne bida ade ade ama won my anniversary cloth no no ompam frufra na chese eno pani ade ede o monso mo hunu se o ye adwuma o GBC se bo hye hunu sa no de ya ma won ma o start adwuma o AS radio no o sign agreement so mo modi na o ko sponsorship obi so programs na sene na otimi ko bi ba de a na yate o hanchiche mu du na ye de ama sponsorship is so anyamre so mbenya enu ntino wo man for one to payroll bia so afedo wo da sore ya ese auditors mra no mmehwe adwuma na omo ye no wo se do musi ye no fa wo se wo ma tron krata koma administration wo ntehwe no musa se ne nipa no se ye nya adwuma ya ana wo man ye krata bia wo manya katwe bia eden no ko for auditors se wo mmehwe ye adwuma wa bra wo so ntua ye ka wo busa se our case and a lawyer.
Captain, omo per advice as to whether omo case and omo ni case. When say omo kan omo nsem ni nyina no. Broni Becker said the operative sentence and operative word and he said there was an agreement.
Okay.
And in labor relations or in every transaction, the moment you reduce everything into writing, you are bound by it. Sa semba na se mo de bibia to krata so na mo asensan a court no enko hwe de na odwene but what you have put on paper when you intended
lawyer can be
say asemba court na se onu obi assign agreement a court no nko wo adwenem the court will not go into your mind say at the time ana wo sign no but what you have reduced into writing.
Hey.
What you intended.
And no pen a court in the befe.
And no court in the befa. Once we reduce bibia into writing, the court will look at the moatro na mo asensan. And yet the never dream at the time now we enter into the agreement. And to know the fact say you are working on commission basis, and say auditors in Timin check you. Because what's an agreement?
Say about check you.
And say no information na ye woni so. And we have to look at the clauses in the agreement, Enka Thomas obetimi ayeye emwa he would have done us a lot of good. Say bia in the agreement, say ni wom.
Okay.
And court no be agreement na omoni GBC for assign no more interpret. And the fact that you are on commission on say auditors. Intimi ma me detail and intimi me check your accounts.
Okay.
Once you are in the employ of the institution, now we render services on commission basis na individual clauses be a wo moyim no. O see they are only complaining about supervision. But obi adwuma na wo ye. E na wa ma o akwanya say ton na dwuma ne ma no na mintua aka 10% on commission basis. And the fact say you are working on commission basis no nkyere say yentimi audito. Na Captain Mamemfa akwanya we nso na me explain ade bi maka no wahada. Casual worker is something na Ghana ha. We say emrane so hwe section 74 and 75 of our Labor Act na emrane kyerɛ say who employ obi on continuous basis for 6 months. Busumi nsia nipa na nya casual worker bio. Say ofa obi casual worker na ye mafa by day e be a week basis be ye adwuma we ma metua woka na woko. But the moment that continues and I say a koswa ebulu 6 months
onye casual worker
or above onye casual worker bi.
And then the company say okrum ha.
And to we say no, the other issue is 8 years. They can't continue to be casual workers. And to say, obi employed continuously for 6 months and above, you become a permanent worker. And I will enjoy the benefits of any other. So you're a casual worker, who need leave, who need any statutory payment, who be good concrete kakramame, weekly, daily, metriaoka, me here will be a mitimicacho say, echina mema.
Wow.
And to me employee be for 8 years as a casual worker. It's sense against are laws and the Labor Acts.
I remember Modiana Minkau say bia opasa say ato. Ope dan bi ato, ope japadi bi ato. The man soon be any when you go come bia langas phobia me hawadria. Nsase no any estate houses no ebi wa blekuma pram kaswa any nsamum kwan so yina no obenya bi ewo ho enso ato. Yebobo Modia yamo very very flexible terms of payment. Obeto boase wa wotwa nkakra obetimi de 1000 Ghana shase na fi wona wokono utimi tua 50% pepepa yebo Modia se be ma kwan na asase no watimi aye so adwuma Malben is say yambo kasese kaso ne nsamum ne ashalajade nsasuno eguwa se chapo ya office no okukumlemle Joy FM ekire he yayi na face kolebu opposite the police station o friend was 0204590 and 0555254052 na oni yen edi ho enkuta ho enche ekire efiada krunumbe de pa emusha sese ye de so de and the Adom bitters we to fa de adonko famko asa caricature no na wona wo kono abobi egu ade paso na natechi heba bitters nso ewo ho ebebo oyi pa member na ese maye no fin wa wontimi nhyeda ndidi yie ase bibia wo mu bia ase ewu bi basa no wo hia na natechi heba bitters ebebo papa with the Food and Drugs Authority, Ghana Standards Authority, so Aje Atum. Pacho, winya 18 years, menumbi. Tesa na okonoma, trouble no wakopa mahuno. Ekura pime du krum, me na krum, eho, ena wonomwo, ni Senior High School kwa eno so wa, and offer 0277 905069 na 0247 624537. Nana techi heba bitters. One kasa be hu say yes ade ehye akasema nkro na fei eye nundu apem mami bia homa na ma ebia na wo asembika ana wo asembi busa lawyer Asantinro ewa ha be friend ewa 0302 211 701 0302 211 701 or 702 703 704 na afei asama woka de wo bisa nyina no so no watimi ebusa lawyer beboye na yetimi eyiyi eno nyina so ano ama messages ne bia ba hana papa ba ko bi de na de ye ma rohopa oso ye sofo wadi maya bi ne mom akobo besia wadi agire mu ama maya yi age besia mom obi 15000 besi ndem fie miensane wa wo motiko wa guess ne person betu eska no also one person betua nti obi seso wo case na megidi ye se enu achi producers ne bebo modern a se big am fi wa homa so big good evening
captain apom ti say
nyame ado me hoye na won so
nyankopa ne me wo pa e bo cho mintia lawyer no mintia na pa wonder wa tre nsema ya ti ase captain pocho pese bibi say lawyer say am say who put question bi demand say so oba bi eba be pe ejuma won na se ebia ejuma wuo no opese onyene da anese so ma no ho kwan ma ejuma wuo no nyene da me bo cho bi say o si oba no so ma no ho kwan dia ejuma wuo no nyi case bia but say wan fa oba ni ejuma me dia obetumi aban say ejuma wuo no case anese oba no case
okay nana kodua woteme nka majo
Yeah, Japanese gaffy.
Mbacho mayenti o.
Master say me wadamfu wo sombi. We yet my best 7 years ago. In sun 9 na echa. Yet penya on it no oman sika onyane hwe. Okwa was me ba. Ade tia was me ba yansa na bisa se e kwan be na bofa no onfa so. Ne sa enani na echa.
Okay. That's it. Lawyer Wangana, what's been come adre?
Yo, Captain, Ndoso.
But Pacho Mayenti.
Yo, Guru of Wasi, Diana. Actually, before they are working, it's not to do nipa no polo ba onni kan chose ono ba dance for mo obada da wa so fimpo o do felo atwa so sani pano so boto na kokota na
medase Mr. Adom what me come ajo
Captain me jo so be kuma se
Pacho mamenti o
Captain me pese lawyer tire edi samra na ye djuma Ghana se djuma mo bi fa wa djuma no sisi wa o di kokota Ghana ha court no betumi aginem ade on patade yo so de ma obi a ni di o deserve obi ama
okay
on tire me because I know yen time to be Ghana as sisi na na ye sisi ya medase mam chia gizo you to organize
yes medase nana ba for what me come me majo
me jo so me de
medase pacho me yenti o
de din kan Infa chidampon na mwase se mwaje mre na mo chire yena anase mu binuma yenimu emra ne bi yankopon enhira mo no made mu ye enye kese na epese me bisa me papa me nua lawyer se wonu oba bi ti se ebi oba no oye ompena wona ne te wonye ne ho ade na oba na firi wachi akofa be ma foforo na abase de waye ni nti wo so mpene biom na ba na so onko wuhia oba bia ne gina ho aba na timi be ni dede di ntokwasem ne niema da bia na ye twon ne ka obo ka kwan be na obetimi de oba na fa so ama na yi
medase lawyer wa ha obehwe yi ensaba no ye mfa frefo bi lawyer ye hwe first one no o say sabaya no epene se o me no da wi amamo adwuma wonu ma da wi wo amamo adwuma no eno abaya no betimi ayede
say akoye your word against any panel word me amene ona na me ma wadwuma what ya se woni na koda prove ben ntina me ka se
na lawyer metimi prove here e bia ma record kakra bi
so to me prove was it consensual
meti asese be ye wie no mama me we
you see some agreements are not enforceable
okay
and say anything against public morality. I say we it antina may draw distinction between the legalities and the morality aspect of it. Because the law will not enforce immorality.
Okay.
Because in the first place, the two of you, that contract na agreement na mo entire no kra no. It's against public policy and against public morality.
Okay.
Enti eni nyina so. Enti the court will not entertain it.
Oi. Yenko frefo so
yes, the offer second one was say obi ne nse twae
ne nse 9
na twa
o ma ba company no mpese
okay and I can say ye wo mra bi a friend Workman's Compensation Act
okay
we say no opa obetimi akohu lawyer na lawyer atro akoma company no
okay
in the first place say oh e bia my client ni asumasi asem odi abeda me ne say no ye adwuma mamo and in the course of ne work na wo ya mamo no obedi dem enti o hwe say compensation o betimi aye negotiation so omo ne ma o course of action obetimi de akokot
betimi de akokot ye hwe de otoso mi ensano na fe
de otoso mi ensano nso no o say obi force obi no one ne da like adwuma mpanifo no bi obi adwuma no aforce once a force abem no without your consent they are criminal clearly
na say koy rape no
rape
yes we
clearly ntia no de aban no obedi se de esitie obi nso busa say sansem aye kan say yi obi a dia okokota e possible say there are so many instances cases na me what labor commission there are hundreds of cases about ya ye de call ya yenya decision man crofo a ye compensate wo mo e ma wo mu scan ya de nti ma o manaba mu court no kwa bibre so no
okay
obi nso say okoto obi ne na yiru a grounds for divorce you will be a friend
o say oni abaya nete na wa fa na chi akotwempena
okay
no hu ni sa no say ade a wa yi de mempe obi e no so akonya aba foforo na oba dada no obi hu we ya na oye ndede na o twene ko ne ye bo ne kane ade eno no sa no
oba dada na ye ne yiru na so no so ye ne mpena we have to establish that
ono kan mienu so oye wo mpena na so oye oyire nti hu be
se oye wo mpena de a at the end of the day wonu obi ejina ho a woni ho kwan woni ehu tumi bia se ekubo ndede ne sa
hey girl no
mpena de
se bi ono na trabe CCS lo a
When a national cry 6 years, it will depend. The court will look into certain factors.
Okay.
Sebia in the eyes of the public, no carry mo to say obanu kunu si uniema or wome obed for that long of time, dear. And no. In certain instances, the law will see say a metamorphose into from concubinage, like empna to customary. But then say your mpna keke say
girlfriend,
but say wa worry no. Especially under the ordinance, say you register or court na sorry popin there wouldn't who quite say. But so worry if ye edia or who quite say what me worried you the opebia and no potentially polygamous. The man who quite say worry be a can
lawyer finally. Bibi obeketwa to na fe
finally captain make say adwuma mu nsem no e bebre but akwan bebre wo ho a adwuma ni ewura esisi wa wo right a ohu a lawyer fo a ometime mefa akwanya nsu na ma chia me kro me hene nana odru buahe yonso jama se hene ohwe me captain so chia opa
that's it lawyer nyumre that's it lawyer Santindro na wote semene no e bon komo no fache lawyer Morris Ampao ekoka mu obabi entina ma wante nka enne enwumre bi wo case no ndo agba apa mu pepepe Momoria natural number 2 hosa sembi hawa wadwunu mu no unyamranim fo beboa wa wo pepa de a 0547 809491 Momoria so na share so Joseph Kwache ne Benjamin Yako na a design set fefe na fe Raymond Kumse ne Ellen Osebwache na a director programming Michael Apabila and Belinda Arthur na ye nhwehwemu no mu edemaye ne Samuel Jesse ene Paul Ankama Minta ye sound ne na fe Richard Jodu ene solo ene gina camera na chitwaye e ma wonso oteyenka me the smart me tremo ma Vim lady nyame yadoma eda foforo ye be seche nyame bye bye.